Use properties of logarithms to write 1/4 log base b of r plus 2 times log base b of s minus 2/3 log base b of t as a single logarithm. Assume the variables represent positive real numbers with b not equal to 1. I'm just going to rewrite that expression first. We have a 1/4 log base b of r plus 2 log base b of s minus 2/3 log base b of t. Notice that these are all log base b. That's going to allow us to bring this all together. I'm going to start with our power rule and bring these coefficients out in the front up to write as powers of our log term here. So this first term becomes a log base b of r to the 1/4 plus log base b of s squared minus log base b of t to the 2/3. Now we're going to bring this sum and difference of logs and write it as multiplication and division. I'm going to write this log one time. Log base b of this sum becomes a product, r to the 1/4 times s squared, but that difference becomes a quotient, and the t to the 2/3 goes to the denominator. So as a single log, we have log base b of the quantity, r to the 1/4 s squared over t to the 2/3.